Welcome to this episode of Robert's Creative Chronicles. So today we'll be solving this question, which states that evaluate the integral of 1 over x squared root of 4 minus x squared dx. So when you are given a function to integrate, which is the integrand, you have to analyze the integrand and to see what kind of function it is, to know the technique of integration you are going to employ. So now you know we can't use direct integration for this. If we substitute 4 minus x squared as t now, we can't, x squared will not cancel because the derivative will give us negative 2x. So it will not cancel this. So we can't use simple substitution. Integration by parts, we can't use integration by parts here because of this square root term. So now the only integration we can use here is trigonometric substitution. Trigonometric substitution gives account what? Okay, let's write solution first. Solution. So trigonometric substitution states that when an integral contains each of these forms, a squared minus x squared, or root of a squared plus x squared, or root of x squared minus a squared. So when an integral contains any of these forms, we can often evaluate the integral by making a substitution involving a trigonometric function. Hence, that's why we call it trigonometric substitution. So this integral, it contains root of 4 minus x squared, which if you evaluate, if you further express in that way, will be root of 2 squared minus x squared. So we have to use trigonometric substitution. So we have to use trigonometric substitution technique to find the integral. So this will become integral of 1 over x squared root of 2 squared minus x squared dx. So now, this one resembles this one. So we are going to use the substitution for root of a squared minus x squared. We know that from here, a is equals to 2. This is a squared, 2 squared, and minus x squared. So now the substitution for root of a squared minus x squared, according to trigonometric substitution, is, we will say let x equals to a sine theta, and we know that a is 2, so x will be equals to 2 sine theta. So now, and theta, the boundary for theta is greater than or equal to minus pi over 2, less than or equal to pi over 2. This pi over 2 is 90 degrees. So theta will be greater than or equal to negative 90 degrees and less than or equal to 90 degrees because pi is 180 degrees. So this is the substitution we're going to make here. But first we'll find the derivative of x with respect to theta. It's going to be dx d theta is equals to what? A cos theta. So we'll make dx the subject of the formula. It becomes dx is equals to a cos theta d theta. So now we will substitute these things, these terms into this equation. We will get this will equal to, now dx is what? Dx is a cos theta d theta. And we know the value for a here. So we can rewrite this one as dx is equal to 2 cos theta d theta. So is this one we're going to substitute? So we can substitute now. You know that we'll substitute this dx and x into this equation. So I will express this equation in terms of theta. So we'll express this expression. So we will substitute dx and x into this integral. So I will express it in terms of theta. So it will be, dx is here, so it will be 2 cos theta over x squared is what? Is 2 sine theta squared. So it will be 4 sine squared theta, then 2 square, then minus x square, minus 4 sine squared theta, then the x, which we have already substituted. The x is 2 cos theta, then remaining the theta, so the theta. So this, then we'll continue now. We'll further simplify this. This becomes what? Integral of 2 cos theta over 4 sine squared theta. This becomes 4 minus 4 sine squared theta. So now this becomes what? You know this one, we can factorize 4 here. So it will be root of 4 times root of 1 minus sine squared theta. So root of 4 is 2. So we can bring 2 out. If we bring 2 out here, it will become 8. So it will be 2 cos theta. Going to be 2 cos theta over what? Over 8 sine squared theta root of 1 minus sine squared theta. So now this will become what? 2 divided by 8. So when 2 enter 8 4 times, so it will become cos theta over 4 sine squared theta 1 minus sine squared theta. So from normal trigonometric identities, you know that sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. So 1 minus sine squared theta will be cos squared theta. So this becomes cos theta over 4 sine squared theta root of cos squared theta. So now the root of cos squared theta is cos theta. So it will be cos theta over 4 sine squared theta cos theta. Now you know cos theta and cos theta will cancel. So this becomes integral of 1 over 4 sine squared theta. And there's the theta here. And you know, and there's the theta here. Also here, d theta, d theta, d theta, d theta, and also here, d theta. So this d theta is multiplying them. So now we'll factorize 1 over 4, or we'll bring out 1 over 4. It becomes 1 over 4 integral of 1 over sine square theta d theta. So you know that 1 over sine theta is cosec theta. So 1 over sine square theta will be cosec square theta. So this will become cosec square theta. Cosec square theta d theta. So what's the integral of cosec square theta? The integral of cosec square theta is negative cot theta. And this will become 1 over 4 negative cot theta plus c. So now this cot theta, we can write it in terms of cos theta and sine theta. So this will also be 1 over 4 negative cos theta, this is times negative cos theta over sine theta plus c. Since cot is inverse of tan, which is inverse of sine over cos, which is cos over sine. So now this equation, this integral is in form of theta. It's in terms of theta. So we have to change it from terms of theta to in terms of x. And we made the substitution earlier that let x equals to 2 sine theta. So now from this equation, sine theta is what? Is x over 2. So from this equation, sine theta is x over 2. And since sine theta is x over 2, we need to find cos theta. So to find cos theta, we will find sine squared theta, which is sine squared theta will be x squared over 4. So therefore, cos squared theta is 1 minus sine squared theta. Cos squared theta is 1 minus sine squared theta, which is x squared over 4 here. Then we'll find the LCM. The LCM is 4. So 4 times 1 is what? 4. Then this will be minus x squared. Because 4 times x squared is 4x squared divided by 4 is x squared. So now cos theta now cos theta now will be the square root of this, which the square root of 4 minus x squared over the square root of 4. And square root of 4 is 2, so this will be square root of 4 minus x squared over 2, since the square root of 4 is 2. So to find cos theta, you just find the square root of both sides, which is what we have done here. Then we'll substitute everything back into the original equation, which is this one. So now our integral, this integral becomes what? This integral becomes what? 1 over 4. We'll put the minus here now. Minus 1 over 4. Then cos theta divided by sine theta. So this is cos theta, so we'll divide it by this sine theta. So this divided by x over 2 is what? So we'll multiply it, we'll say this times 2 over x. So 2 and 2 will cancel, it will become root 4 minus x squared over x. So it will be root 4 minus x squared over x plus c. So this is the integral of, so that's the integral of this. So the integral of 1 over x squared root of 4 minus x squared dx is this. I hope you understood this episode. If you have any question, feel free to contact me using my WhatsApp or email written in the description below, or you can write them in the comment section. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell to get notified as soon as I drop a new video. Thanks.